Okay, so I needed to make some shirts for the adults for my grandson's team. This is just an example. They have purple shirts. I have them over there. So I wanted to actually use this for something. So I got this iColor paper. It's the standard two-step. This is the A paper and this is the B paper. So it's a two-process thing. I have some of this loaded in the tray. So I'm just going to pop that in. But I want to show you, excuse the mess, show you how easy it is if I want to do something. I need to make 3 of Paxton ones. So I'm just going to drag this SVG over and then it'll populate right here. And then it automatically mirrors it because I'm doing an overprint. I'm going to do a white print and then it's going to print the color over the top of the white. So it'll show up on a dark background shirt. So I just centered it up. And let's go ahead and just send that over. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a heat application decal or sticker design for a shirt just like that. So it prints almost instantaneously. We'll need a piece of this B paper. You want to make sure you have fresh paper and that you keep it as dry as you possibly can. The matte side, these have lines on them so you know this is the back. On the ultra bright, or some of those, they don't show that though, but the matte side is the side that you're gonna put toward the thing. So it's gonna print this out on this film, and we're just gonna place the film like this, and then this side down in the heat press. I'm going to put some, these are silicone infused parchment papers. I need to get some bigger sizes. And we're going to press that at 310 for 120 seconds, 2 minutes. And that step's very important. Now, this next step is going to require a hot peel. So if you have sensitive fingers or you get burned easy, they probably make a number of Teflon gloves and things to help with that. And I'll speed this part up. I think I don't usually do any editing in post, but I know you probably don't want to sit here for that amount of time. Okay, so we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. It's going to pop open in about 5 seconds, and I'll try not to burn myself. So when that comes open, I'm going to remove my papers, give it just a little wipe, and I want to catch just this edge. I start in the back just because I like to, and I'll grab this and then get a nice even peel. And you want to do this while it's good and hot. You also want to preheat your platen. If I didn't tell you that. There we go. That's a good pull. So the adhesive only sticks to where the toner was. So you can see that, like vinyl, you notice that a little bit of the adhesive's gone, but the rest of it's wasted. And these sheets are not exactly cheap. You can see I've been throwing quite a few away. So this just needs to cool. I usually take them over here on this aluminum optical plate, and they cool right off. And then I'll trim it down, and it's ready to apply to the shirt. So I'll go over here and add this there. So that's all I have to do. And then once I get them printed out, then I go back, press them onto the shirts. Pressing onto the shirt is only about 30 seconds per. And then afterwards, I take the carriers off, and then I do another press for 30 seconds on each of them to embed them a little further. And then I stretch the fabric gently so that it will get in there and hopefully last a while and not pull off. But that's how easy it is. I can go from, you know, something in my thoughts to having it put out on a piece of apparel. It's just that quick. Anyway, I thought that was cool, so I thought I would share. More to follow.